Okay, hello guys. Here we are going to solve some questions based on laws of indices. Part 3, we're back. Let's get into it. Hopefully you guys have watched part 1 and part 2. So we notice everything here can be written in powers of 2. So we've got 2 to the power of 2 for the 8, and that's raised to the power of x. Rather, it's 2 to the power of 3. See, even I make mistakes, guys. Let's make mistakes together and let's learn from them together. Okay, then divided by 2 to the power of 8. Then we have 4, which is 2 squared, and that's raised to the power of x. Okay, using our laws of indices, the 3 times the x multiplies to give you 2 to the power of 3x. Then divide that by 2 to the power of 8. That gives you 2 to the power of 2 times x gives you 2x. Then applying our laws of indices, because it's divide, we are subtracting the powers. So we get 2 to the power of 3x minus 8. It doesn't simplify any further than that, guys. It's 3x minus 8. Okay, unlike terms. And that equals 2 to the power of 2x. Now we've got 2 to the power of something equals 2 to the power of something else. So the two indices must be the same. So we can say that 3x minus 8 equals 2x. And then taking away 2x from both sides gives us x minus 8 equals 0. And then adding 8 to both sides gives us x is equal to 8. All right, let's go to the next example. With this one, we have 2 to the power of x multiplied by 8, which is 2 cubed. 2 cubed to the power of 3x is equal to 2 squared to the power of 2. Okay, then we have 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of 9x, because 3 times 3x is 9x. And that is equal to 2 to the power of 4. Adding the powers, we get 2 to the power of 10x equals 2 to the power of 4. So therefore 10x is equal to 4, because we have 2 to the power of something equals 2 to the power of something else. So the powers must be the same. Then x is equal to 4 over 10. Let's keep going, guys. Oh, we've got powers of 3. So everything can be written as powers of 3. We've got 3 to the power of x. 27 raised to the power of 3x. Well, that's going to be 3 cubed to the power of 3x. And they're, of course, multiplied. And 9 is 3 squared. So that's 3 squared squared. Then we have 3 to the power of x multiplied by multiplying the powers gives you 3 to the power of 9x. 3 times 3x. And then we have 2 times 2, which is 4. So that gives us 3 to the power of 4. Then adding the powers gives us 3 to the power of 10x equals 3 to the power of 4. And then again, 3 to the power of something equals 3 to the power of something else. So the powers must be the same. So we have 10x is equal to 4. Dividing both sides by 10, we get x equals 4 over 10. Coincidence that it was the same answer? Maybe. But we will leave it here and we will carry on in the next video, guys. Yeah, I guess I want to keep